In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export to Drive in Google Vids. Let's get started. Google Vids, part of the Google Workspace, is a fantastic tool for seamless video sharing and collaboration. Whether you're working on a group project, sharing important updates with your team, or just want to keep a video backup, exporting your Google Vids to Google Drive is an easy and efficient process. First things first, you'll need to open your favorite web browser. Once there, navigate to Google Vids by entering the URL or simply searching for Google Vids in your search engine. This will take you to the Google Vids homepage, which is part of the broader Google Workspace environment. Now, assuming you're not already signed in, you're going to see a sign in button. Click on this button. You'll be prompted to choose the Google account you want to use for Google Vids. This might be your personal Google account or one provided by your institution or workplace. If you have multiple accounts, make sure you select the one associated with the video you wish to export. After you've successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on the main Google Vids page. Here you should locate the video you wish to export. Once you've found it, look for the Share button. This button might appear as a simple icon depending on the layout and version of Google Vids you're using. Hover over or click on this button and you'll see an arrow indicating more options. Click on this arrow. Among the options that unfurl, you'll see Export to Drive. Go ahead and click on that. This action initiates the process of exporting your selected video directly to your Google Drive. The interface might ask you to confirm your choice or select a specific folder in your drive where you want the video saved. It's a smooth process designed to transfer your content without hassle. Once the export begins, you'll notice a status bar or a notification showing the progress of the transfer. Depending on the size of the video and your internet connection, this could take a few seconds to several minutes. Be patient. Google is working in the background to ensure your video is safely duplicated to a drive. When the export is complete, you'll often see an option to Open Now, which, when clicked, will take you directly to the video's new location in your Google Drive. This is incredibly handy for checking that the video has exported correctly. It's also a quick way to access and share the Drive link with colleagues, friends, or family members. And there you have it. You've successfully exported your video from Google Vids to Google Drive. It's a simple process but filled with potential. Whether you're backing up important presentations, sharing school projects, or just organizing your video content, understanding how to move files seamlessly across Google's platforms can enhance your productivity and ensure your valuable content is always accessible no matter where you are. Before we wrap up, a couple of quick tips. Always ensure you're logged into the correct Google account before starting. It's easy to accidentally be in the wrong account, especially if you have personal and professional Google accounts. Remember that exporting videos to Google Drive will consume your Drive storage space. Keep an eye on available space, particularly if you're working with large video files. Organize your drive with folders for different projects or types of content. This makes finding your exported videos much easier, especially if you export regularly. That's all for today's guide on exporting to Google Drive in Google Vids. Whether you're a content creator, educator, or business professional, this skill is sure to come in handy. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Happy exporting!